Good day everyone, welcome guys, welcome chat. How is it going for the happy Friday times? Great to have you on board everyone. Hey, what's up guys? How you doing? How do you feel? Wow. Ready to start? I'm ready to smash the targets. Come on, like the video guys, come on. Hit that like button. We're short by a lot. Happy Friday times. How do you feel about it today? Welcome everyone. Careful with the markets. Woohoo. Big deals out there. Big deals out there with the Nasdaq. Good morning. Time to share the presentation as usually pretty much everywhere. All the trading groups, all the communities. Time to join us. Winter games have started. And we're ready to attack Nasdaq. In the most elegant way possible. We are live. $100,000 for the giveaway show. For real pockets. Absolutely lovely. Join our Discord, guys. Come on. We're streaming from Monday to Friday with daily free giveaways. Yep. There you go. There you go. And this is what happens for the Nasdaq. Watching the whole picture here, this is a level I will consider for the next week. Let me share with you which one I'm talking about. This one, guys. This resistance trending line, which has very, very clear confirmations. I think that's one of the targets for the recovery stage we're putting here. And that means at the current stage, it's around 25,750s. But as the time goes, this is going to decrease because it's downtrending, right? So probably around 400s or 500s, depends when you touch it. But that's a good target out there for swing possibilities. Yep. On the hourly. We do have a lot of the things to cross today. There is also an uptrending support trending line here, but the most important part of the current structure for the 5-minute is the red line. Red line basically is the one that's set up with the algos and buying pressure. Good morning, welcome guys, thank you for joining. Make sure to like the video, come on. Every time we have touched the red line, we've been bouncing, including the daily volume at average price, but we're actually far away from that right now, about 250 points. So that's the way it is. That's the way it is. There is a temporary supply here from yesterday. 24,850s. I don't think the head and shoulder is going to appear here. But still, we gotta be cautious around the corner. So we've got basically our 3 accounts YRM, which we're trading the first prop from today. We're basically trading on the stream YRM, Lucid, tap on futures, and then if I have enough time, I'll also trade a Savius accounts. right? Just as a quick introduction, YRM. Here's the link, guys. Scramble coupon code gives you much bigger discounts than what is discoverable on the website. Challenge is instant funded. The instant funded is having a lower target than the traditional 6%, basically. Is lower. It is end of the day drawdown, $6,000 basically for the max loss, 50% off with my code, which makes the account $450 with a $3,000 payout. Right. Not yet in any trade, but I'm considering, I'm thinking about it, of course. And I'm trying to see the edge. We got our 3 accounts here. We're gonna start with this one that has 6 days. There's still $1,500 left in drawdown. We had a spicy loss yesterday on this account. Let me see, which is that one? The 370. $150,000 instant funding accounts are quite simple. I'm trading the 150 grand because they're the most efficient. $6,000 max loss. And $8,000 for the target. Less than 6% basically. Watching this one closely. Market bounces from this retracement. Thank you guys for joining, by the way. Yeah, a bit of a flu. You can hear that from my voice, you know. My nose is a bit stuck, right? Stuck in the mud. We're stuck like the crypto space. This is what caused me the flu, watching the crypto narpers, watching the portfolio disappear, and watching the missing of the bull market. So I got a flu from there. Oh my gosh. I've been down 90% with my portfolio back in 2020, you know, it's something. But I'm feeling great. I'm feeling great. It's just that my voice is a little bit affected from the screamings I do on the tennis field. Testing out a short here, guys. Testing out a short here in, you know, a bit of good possibility of continuation downwards. The 1 minute structure, we're scalping. We're scalping price action and technicals. We have a good amount of money for sure. I mean, I would say we still have a good amount of money. And that's comfortable. I'm not touching it. It's just that I need fresh money to buy more right now during this situation. So, good day. Welcome, everyone. Make sure to sign up for the giveaways and be here for the giveaway show, which starts a little bit later. I don't like this reaction here. We need a sell-off. Stop loss is going to be right above the structure. Yeah, we got stopped out. Right above the structure because the markets could reverse from there. Look at that. That's why you put a proper stop loss. The account I'm trading right now has a drawdown basically of 1,500. Oh, look at that huge movement. I don't think we have any news today at this hour. We're going to have the Michigan numbers at 10 a.m., guys. Right? So Michigan numbers at 10 a.m. We're going to be on board with that. Oh, percentage-wise. %90. Minimum 90%. That's a very interesting move we got here. You see why the stop losses are needed at the right spots? And this is why. This is why, guys. That was basically a strong 40 points movement. Oh, Master Trader. Come on, that's still not bad. I mean, it's quite of a big challenge to qualify on 4 rounds of payouts. No, you're in good shape. 1,500. Yeah. Crypto space has been through a bear market, especially the altcoins, has been through the bear market. I mean, you can see that as an opportunity, which is the only way I could see it, basically. Otherwise, I just, gonna get crazy. Canadian numbers. Yeah, we got quite of a movement here, representing around 40 points, so look at that drop. I mean, today's price action is quite dirty. I'm shorting the structure. Bring it down. There was a nice liquidity grab. Bunch of people got trapped, right? Into lovely longs. And they're gonna exit. Bunch of people got trapped in lovely longs, hoping for today's high. And they will exit soon, pressing the button. Keep it strong, Master Trader. You're probably close to hitting your targets. Thank you guys for joining. Thank you so much. Make sure to like the video. Come on. Like the video, be subscribed. Look at that, all the way back. What's wrong with this price action, guys? Oh my gosh, what's wrong with it, guys? This is crazy. Look at this price action. Nah, you're kidding me. You guys must be kidding me with this price action. I sold partially. Look at that. Oh my gosh. But do you see it a little bit for a strong continuation if this rejection holds here? You have a very good buffer, exactly. You have a very good buffer with that, buddy. Keep it strong. The 4th payout is going to be juicy. $6,000. Yeah. Exactly. Thank you guys. Appreciate it. Imagine if you would do copy trading on 3 accounts with that. Time to see this one all the way back below 815. Below 815. 30 micros. Sitting hungry here, aiming for a decent PNL. We're down 800. But I don't think this is ripping back. I don't think this is going to rip back. I'm DCing. Lovely. Take profit. I'm going to put my take profit a little bit below the wicks we had earlier. Not putting the stop loss right now on break even for the moment. No, no. They might touch the 30s and then run it back down, so I'm happy to risk a little more here. Price action wise looks promising. Bring it down, baby. Come on. Press the pedal. Now it's the time to put a stop loss on break even now. Now it is for sure. Now it is for sure. Come on. Right above the current candle. Dump it. Thank you guys. Good morning. Welcome. I sold partially there. Yep. Sold partially, basically. Secured some lovely profits. We secured about $300. And leaving the rest one open. The target has been hit, $310. This is the first trade of the day. That's complete. Celebration time. Boom. That's the way to kickstart on Friday. Thank you so much, guys. What's the size of the account? $150,000 instant funded. Thank you so much, guys. That's probably the way to get all the balls running. I'm trading the instant funded. Ernesto. Instant funded, so you must be asking about the challenge, right? I think instant funded is a ton better, and it's also extremely, oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. This is the time to pass some Lucid Flex evaluations, which is something I'm planning to do today. I bought a couple, and I'm going to try and pass some Lucid evaluations, Lucid Flex evaluations, because, you know, I need. February has not been good there. Wow, what a movements we've got today. A clear proof here that you gotta stick to those extremely smart contract sizes, and it sounds lovely in terms of how much money you can make, but let me tell you, it is way more painful to suffer the consequence of additional exposure. Look at that, 5 minute, I mean, too much exposure, right? 5 minute candlestick. I'm reshorting this structure. I'm doing the instant funded, guys, from the YRM. Instant funded from the YRM. This is their instant funding account. With Scramble coupon code is 450 bucks. It's a 150 grand account. 6,000 bucks max loss. The target is at $8,000 to request at 3,000 bucks payout. 8,000 bucks is less than 6%. 6% would be $9,000, which is basically how it is on Lucid Direct, for example. Lucid Direct, your targets are at 6%. Here, 6% is 6% is 9 grand. So that's higher. Plus it's 532 on Lucid. And for this guys is 450 with my code. It's 90 bucks extra discount than what is listed. I've been reshorting this. And I'm also opening a short for this account. Oh. No, it's quite wild today from what it looks like. It's quite dirty, quite wild. Good morning, welcome guys. Eight trading days, yeah. 20% consistency, 8 trading days. For this one, stop loss is going to be right at the top of the wick there for this trade here. Not touching for the moment anything here. But that's a pretty much wild volatility we started to have. Yes, there is profit. There is no profit target, but you can cash out if you are dealing basically with the funded from a challenge, right? It's different. If you become funded from a challenge, it's different. You have a different payout system than buying directly a funded account. So if you become funded from a challenge, you have a different system, you can always cash out 50% of your profits. 50%. Up to the cap. Right, if you want to take out 4,000, you got to make 4. Like the way the Lucid Flex is. But Flex is paying you whatever you got in your balance. And these guys are going only with the cycle. What you made in the cycle. 50% of what you made in the cycle. This is interesting, guys. I would need a continuation here, basically, after that red candlestick rejection. Come on, guys. Time to speed up. Thank you so much for joining. Make sure to like the video to participate. Oh! Stop loss at the top of that. I'll put a stop loss at the top of that. I don't like this movements at all. This is just pretty much nuts. Look at that. You know, I'll take that loss there. But that's just crazy what's happening right now. No activation fee. I never traded with Purdia. Never. Never traded there. And I'm not planning doing it so. Deadly wicks. And the pressure downside is missing for the moment. I'll take your questions one by one too. So no activation fee. Yeah, no activation fee. Michigan, we've got Michigan numbers, but that's going to come in at 10 a.m. guys. So that's in more than an hour and 15 minutes. Ernesto, it's different than at Lucid Flex, because at Lucid Flex, it considers your whole profit made across the time, not just on each cycle separated, right? 50% of your profit made across the time. Here, they look at the cycle itself. So that's why I'm telling you, the instant funded model is not having that thing. And that's why I think it's better. You get the full payout up to the payout cap, 90% to 10 split. Sorry to hear that. Selling partially here and putting the break even, guys. I sold partially and I put the break even. I'm looking into the other account and I'm putting the break even there too. Let's go. I'm decreasing here the trailing. We'll secure 120 bucks on top of the 442 we've made. And that's gonna be kinda... That's good. 5:44 celebration time here, guys. 5:44 celebration time. I'm not gonna trade this anymore today. I'm gonna lock myself out of this. That's just lovely. Yep. NFP day, but we don't have NFP. We've got only Michigan numbers. No. 100,000 and 150 is the same story. They're having no activation fee. No activation fee. Zero activation fee across the board for any model you're buying on the challenge. Zero. None of the challenges have activation fees. None of them. No monthly fees, no data fee, nothing like that. You don't believe on consistency rule? Not sure what do you mean by consistency rule scam. Let's see what's happening on the other account. We had the break even. We made 60 bucks there. We gotta do that differently. Thank you, guys. you're doing 90 to 10 on the entire platform every single time you trade. Whether we speak the challenges or the instant funded, the payout is always 90 to 10. That is the industry standards, basically. Even with Lucid, it's pretty much the same story. Each payout is 90 to 10. Testing a little long here, guys. Could get an explosion. You see, take profits are needed today because of the wicks. And the break-evens will be needed. We might get an impulse here from this bottom that has been secured so far. We might get something stronger. So I'm leaving a target there. We'll see. If we lose this, I'm out. Not an issue. Good morning. I don't have a live account. I don't have a live account. I'm targeting about 1,500 bucks on this account today. Profit, not loss. Good morning, welcome guys. Make sure to like the video to participate in the giveaway and join our Discord. Absolutely mandatory to be part of our community in order to join the giveaways. We're doing giveaways daily. The 90 to 10 split basically is just a way of, you want to hear the reality? I can tell you the reality. Why is it 90 to 10? What's the purpose of that? It became widely accepted in the space of prop firms to say 90 to 10's profit split. It's widely accepted today. No one has any problems with that. But do you guys want to hear the reason of 90 to 10? If you guys want to hear a reason, well, because they can advertise a much bigger payout, right? They can advertise you're getting paid 5,000 and you get paid 4,500. But they can advertise, instead of advertising 4,500, they advertise 5,000. Minimum 60% of the people that buy the account do not know about the 90 to 10 split on the payout. And they just look at the payout value. They don't know there is going to be a split on that payout value. So they can advertise basically 5 grand and then say we have a split of 90 to 10. It's much better to advertise you're paying people 5 grand than advertise you're paying people 4,500. It's 90 to 10 basically of the amount you're cashing out. The other 50% that remains in your account is going to collect buffer. Pasta arrabbiata. So you guys are angry today on the pasta. Who's crying out here? Who's crying out and trying to play games with us? And why are they... Alright, so this guy give me free. This guy has been sending 200 messages to me. You're gonna get a nice timeout. You're not gonna be allowed basically to spam. And spread bullshit FUD. Market's dumping. Gotta control my loss here. Selling partially. I sold partially. You're not gonna be able to spam and pretend that's accepted and welcomed. Sending 200 direct messages is not going to solve the problem. So, what you recommend to leave as a buffer? Yeah, he got muted. We want to trade. We don't want to take care about these things. Putting the stop loss right there. What do I suggest to leave as a buffer? Well, yeah, we touched the stop loss we had. Bunch of scammers creating 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 accounts participating in the giveaways like that, and then trying to fight for the accounts that they're not going to receive. They will never receive the accounts when behaving like that. And there's too much hustle for me on the giveaway side. If we continue like this, I'm gonna do a pause from giveaways. Temporary support could appear here. That's the red line we've been talking about today. It's a dynamic swing and short value at average price. That's been reacting pretty good. Good morning, welcome guys. Yeah, but I'd like to do fair giveaways and not spend 2 hours a day filtering through the scammers, right? We're not going to spend 2 hours a day filtering through the scammers. Lovely leg. Give me a lovely leg here. You see, I'm not putting a break even because we might get to touch the 786 and then run back. We might get to hunt some of the trailing. Yeah, that was an idea of making $1 subscription or $2 subscription per month, and only the ones with membership and subscription could participate. I'm always ready. Tony, good day. Always ready. No difference between a business day and a weekend for my schedule. Always ready for the lovely days. The week did not start too well for me. Certainly started pretty bad. Actually, very bad. February started very bad. We had a good day this week. And today, hopefully, make it $2. We'll fix the scammers, $2. Yeah. Now, I'm not gonna waste my time with the scammers anymore, asking for 200 proofs and no, I'm just banning straight away. We use emails for, yeah, I see those. We use emails for Firmalo. I started to enjoy both minis and micros. Even though back in the day I only traded minis. I don't like this 1 minute candlestick here, honestly. Oh, people have 4, 5, 6 accounts. And trying to skim. I'm DCing a little bit here, guys. Could get a strong runner back to the upside. And that's not looking terrible. I told you I'm putting the stop loss on break even. 45 bucks. If this thing is getting denied, I might have the opportunity to buy lower. Come on, guys. We're sitting out here. We've got 25 micros. So make sure to like the video, guys. Like the video, be subscribed, join Discord. These are the mandatory things to do before you can actually win. And then participate in the giveaway. That's a lovely move. That's a lovely move which we established. You guys remember I said earlier, not putting break even yet, because the market could revisit this level and then spikes. Market did revisit it. And now we're moving. The previous red candle we have, the last red candle we have, is that revisit I'm talking about. I didn't have a break even set at that time. I let that candle flush through. It has been reversed. And then I got smashed out. I just got smashed out. Look at that. We have an active trade here still. But I'm going to put a stop loss on break even here too. Incredible, right? Yeah, I have a lot of things to check, to verify, but you know this is taking time. And when you have a guy winning and then 6 people come to claim the accounts, right? So there's one thing you have to clear the ones that are participating, scammers and stuff like that. But then guys, if one of you, for example, if 12 VC is winning, there's going to be many Discord profiles claiming out the winners. All these guys will show me they have the exact very same YouTube username. All the guys will show me that. Tons of them. Tons of them, right? So if you win today, there's gonna be minimum 5 profiles direct messaging me with screenshots, with everything that they have. All of them have your YouTube username, all of them. It's fake. But of course they don't have your email that you have signed up on Formalo. Yeah, that's a process that, of course, I need to verify through the whole thing, right? You put a secret message, that's why I'm able to identify. It's the email. But you see, this thing is taking resources and time, and these guys are expecting basically to be on Formalo. It's just, I'm longing this guy, so we could get a strong move. We have the flat hourly here. We had a flat hourly. That's a massively inefficient candlestick we had here. And it's not going to remain untouched. We will touch that. Thank you guys, appreciate it. We're trading on YRM right now. Volumetrica with deep charts. YRM prop firm. Volumetrica deep charts. DX feed, data feed. Exactly. Correct. 8,000, which is less than 6%, you get 3,000. I could try to filter, right, people, but I don't want it to give a chance to everyone. Right, I don't want it to give a chance maybe even to less fortunate people. Yet I don't want to give a chance to scammers. Maybe there's people not having $2 right now available. I don't know. I wanted to give the opportunity to every single person out there without excluding, you know, any category. Yeah, at some point this is exhaustion. Just like the markets are doing with me right now. I've DC'd a little bit here, guys. $8.21 for my exit on this account. And I'll have a lovely exit here as well. Come on, give me a nice runner. No, my gosh. Yeah, I have to accept the partial loss here. Did accept a partial loss there for the other account. And I'm buying cheaper, basically, when we're going lower, just like now. So did accept a partial loss higher. I have an assistant, but it's taking care about other things. Which is taking care about our research process for the investments that I'm doing. And other stuff. You know, the giveaways things should be a lot easier. Yeah, YouTube has to be 100% free giveaways for sure. I know. Good day, everyone. Great to see you on board. Wish you lovely trades today. And for the rest of the month, including the rest of the year, we're not looking too bad here, honestly. We're not looking too bad here. That reaction was certainly needed. It was another retest of the red line we've been bouncing all the way today. Look at that image from our Discord community. Very similar to that. Is the way I'm gonna be around my 50s. I am 187 centimeters and 70 kilograms, right? 187 with 70. Yeah, I'm holding Ethereum in investment. Didn't touch Ethereum. I still have that position going on. Didn't touch it. I'm holding for higher, even though it dumped like wild down below 2,000. There's nothing I can do about it. Computer screen on the wrong side. Look at that. You know, it's AI. What do you expect, guys? Look at that. Yeah, but there's still gonna be like 15, 20 private messages on Discord from 3 winners. With each winner, there's multiple guys coming and claiming, right? And there's still gonna be people joining on our Discord the next day saying, hey, where's my account? I didn't heard a reply from you. I've not been hearing back from you. Like, these guys are expecting them to update them. They're scammers, guys. Scammers do have the expectation that I should let them know they're scammers and communicate with them. Let's go, guys. On YouTube, like, you know, they fake it. They fake it, guys. For YouTube, they fake it. Push. Push, guys. Come on. 800s. Do not get stuck here. This is a good-looking trade. And the take profit is juicy. Push. Look at that. 5-minute looks good as well. Ho ho ho. Come on. Keep it riding. Haven't sold anything yet. Obviously, I'm going to put a trailing here. 246, some trailing. 264. I do have to trail something, right? I'm gonna sell. I'm gonna sell some contracts there. Come on. And leave the rest open for a strong runner. Lovely. 2 take profits have been touched. Sure. You know, we're gonna sort it out with probably an assistant. We're gonna sort it out with a different way. We're gonna sort it out. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Come on, guys. And the other account is printing money too. I'm fully out here, guys. Fully out here. So we saved $1,000 on this side, and on the other side we were down 800, and now we're up 300. So we made 1,100 here too. Look at that retracement, guys. It must be crazy, right? Am I gonna get saved? Will I get saved with that? Look at that. Will I get saved, guys, with that wick? Tell me. How do you feel? How do you feel about that, guys? Tell me. Price action disappears. Will I get saved on that? Or 15 micros will get saved? Let's go. Come on. Who says you cannot be lucky? Who says you shouldn't be lucky? We were down 800 here and now we're up 300 realized. Where's the price section going? Oh. I'm trailing right below this. I'm trailing right below this. We're gonna make $300 if the trailing hits, right? Cheers, everyone. Enjoy your day. Have a lovely time. Certainly. Targets touch, we made $600. This is the first day for this account, by the way. We're gonna celebrate that. with a glass of, I wanted to say champagne, but you see it's not the time for it. It is, boom. Lovely trailing, right? Lovely trailing. 600 bucks there. Tell me, guys, which champagne do you like? We're sitting out here 205 on the stream, and we got 100 likes. Not possible, guys. We're short by 100. We're not going to do the giveaways this way. Impossible, guys. System is not going to allow me. $600 up here. 1,381 on the other side. But this one with a 600, guys. Let me just do some numbers. So 8,000 divided to... What if I want to hit a target in 5 days? Like, I do know that, you know, you need to trade minimum for 8 days. But I got 20% consistency. So technically, I could actually go for my 5 days. If I want to be a little acceleration, right? 1,600 would be per day. But I'll take 600 today as a profit here. I certainly need that first day. And I do need to take care about this 1,381. You can have the links here, guys. You certainly want to sign up for the giveaway. Gamble plus DCA plus trailing equals with smart trading. You guys have seen that for the past 3 months. You cannot deny the numbers. It's one thing in the opinion, but the numbers are top-notch. So, opinions are welcome. Yeah, I disagree. When I see 200 messages from the same guy, which is expecting to receive an account, and he's been running with 5 freaking fake accounts there. That's good, master trader. I mean, keep it like that. Oh, link for the Discord. The link for the Discord is out here. Make sure to join, guys. You're going to be part of this whole process. And we're streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. EST time. Having a good chat daily. We're not having a Veuve Clicquot daily. No. Tétanger. Boulanger. We're not having these things daily. But we do have green tea. A Perignon. Is this a good spot here? What do you guys think about? Like, we're revisiting this lever for the X number times. Market opens in 15 minutes. No long, no short. Welcome. Great to see you, buddy. Great to have you on board. We're going to have Michigan numbers coming at 10 a.m. today, so you certainly don't want to get confused about It's very tricky what's happening here. I'm testing out along. Good day, good luck. Thank you. And the most important thing, guys, is not really about the payouts or stuff like that I do. It's for you to learn. You have to learn, progress, become better by consuming this content. So you gotta learn from my mistakes just like you learn from my winners. For you, it's a win-win situation, whatever happens. It's a win-win situation, whatever happens for you. You have the ability to learn from these things. I think that's very important. This is a live exercise. This is not recorded and now we're running on a replay or something like that. It's not AI. And I think that's the most valuable part. You guys have the ability to learn from whatever happens here. Exactly, 12 AC. Correct. Thank you guys, appreciate it. DC'd more. I love the way that candle reacted, so I DC'd more. Not putting break even yet, but we'll do so. Because all that liquidity build here is risky for movement like this, right? Is risky. It is risky. So I don't want to be in a long when that happens. That's why I'm putting the stop loss here. Let's go, guys. At the same time, I cannot deny the possibility of breaking out here. There's this resistance downtrending. We got a stop loss and break even. We're sitting back and watching. And I'm gonna trail. Trading the YRM account here, folks. Much bigger discounts than what is discounted there on the official website. We touched the break even. I'm out. I'm out because I might have an opportunity to re-enter below the structure. You see so much liquidity here. Imagine the amount of stop losses existing at these places. Market makers will set their positions at places where liquidity is generated from stop losses and trailings, right? So Bitcoin was down to 60,000 yesterday, and now it is 67. 7,000 bucks. Good morning, good day, everyone. Great to see you. Great to have you onboarded. Thank you. Retesting with along here, and the stop loss is going to be right below this whole thing. 212 bucks for the loss. If you reverse right now, I'm out. Thank you. If you don't reverse, I'm gonna write you. I'm gonna write this one all the way back to 845, something like that. Write this one's. And I'm opening up Quantower in the meantime for a good run. Gotta pass some evaluations. I'm gonna fear the opening. We're gonna have hundreds of points movement here, so just careful. 1-2 micros. 1-2 micros, and I'm gonna try to see the opportunity with minis. I might be able to just make some good money for the evaluations on the Lucid Flex. Yeah, I'm putting the... I'm out. I'm out on break even. Not convincing. Not convincing. Even though those wicks on the 5-minute holding through the algo is great. But you see I'm shorting. I'm shorting. Stop loss very tight. Has been touched. It was too tight. It was too tight, guys. I had my stop loss too tight. I put actually the trading so quickly, too quickly on break even. Should have left more space and time for that. But this is so undecided here. And it's not that bullish like you guys think because of those rejections. Nah. They're printing some data which is communicating you something. And then the outcome could be exactly the opposite. Right, so here there's a message communicated to the traders. What's the message? Refusal of acceptance below the red line. Refusal of acceptance below 790s. Yeah, really. And then you see how does the market is going to accelerate. Guess where? To the place that it was refused to be accepted for the past 30-40 minutes. Always rejecting on the 5 minute and it's still going there. Look at that. We'll refuse it once again, right? The 5 minute algo, which is going to be in 1 minute, guys, we'll do a little more. But I'd love to get out of this parking here that we just did. How is the daily situation? Oh, we were close touching the 200 EMA for the daily. It's a pretty good daily candlestick, guys. Not too shabby. Yep. Let's see, how does the 5 minute algo react, which starts in 10 seconds. 5 minute algo before the opening. Wouldn't be bad, but usually at those times I'm running on the tennis field. Thank you guys so much. Final day to trade on Project X for the top 1 futures. We got our Ignite accounts here. Probably they're going to be moved on Tradeovate or something. Bring it down, baby. There is a decent converted point. I'm still waiting. I'm still waiting. I don't trust this anymore. And I don't mind if it runs up. I'm not gonna be kidnapped by the FOMO. I don't want to be kidnapped by the FOMO. Very important. We have a Lucid Black account that's funded and is making money. For the Quant Tower. Like I said, guys, best accounts for the Lucid are the Lucid Flex, no consistency, and target on the funded stage. It's something insane. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Testing a little long here, guys. Testing a little long. I don't mind if it's getting rejected because I'm out of it. But at the same time, I think there's also too many people waiting for the price action to come a lot lower. And they might not want to give that chance. So I'm just... we could be bouncing off the support here. You know, I'm in a little position. I'm going to DCA... I'm also going to grab my long for the
Order
top
filled.
one futures Ignite account.
Order filled.
Where I have a $500 target. Oh! Longing my Lucid Black. That was a pretty aggressive sell-off. This is the last man standing here. Market is opening in less than 2 minutes. We have longed on Quantower for the Lucid Black too. It's running, guys. 758 on the long there. The problem is here. One minute to go, guys. Oh, come on. I sold partially. Even though this obviously has a... I put a stop loss on break even for my Quantower and the Lucid Black. Stop loss on break even here. 30 seconds. Ah, break even has been touched. Mm. 10 seconds, guys. And here's the opening bell. I'm grabbing my long for Quantower.
Order filled.
I'm sitting on my long here. Stop loss on break even, guys, for the Quantower trade. On the other side, we're quite at the entry point, right? Touch the break even for the Quantower trade. Have an opportunity to buy cheaper. And I bought cheaper, bought lower. Re-entered lower, stop loss on break even. Come on. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Come on. Keep it going. We had a good entry here for the Quant Tower for the Lucid Black. Keep it going, guys. My take profit is going to be somewhere up. Keep it going. Touch the break even. I'm relonging it here. We tugged the wick. I'm relonging it. Lovely. Looks lovely, guys. Looks lovely on the other side too. Ho ho ho! I'm out here. $3,000 for the YRM. And what about here? I'm fully out. 2,671. There you go. Oh, what's happening with my camera, guys? Look at that, but we gotta celebrate that. Come on. What's wrong? Celebration time, celebration time. Oop. Still gotta fix that camera. Wow. That was great, guys. That was great. And obviously, this is still having a great chance of continuing. That was great, guys. Come on. Big Friday out here. Big Friday. Thank you, guys. 2,671. This is a Lucid Black account. Let me see what's behind it. Like... Let me see what is behind it. Thank you, guys. Good job. So for the Lucid, we're trying to pass some Lucid flexes. I think we're ready, guys, for the payout here. I don't know. On the Lucid Black. I think we're ready for the payout. Let me show you guys. Oops, no opening bell. Sorry. Sorry for that. Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on, let's do it. Let's bring up the volume. I think we're ready for the payout here. This is the account we made money earlier. We have to wait for the end of the day numbers to update on the dashboard, but I think we're ready for the payout here. Lucid Black 100,000. What was the target for the Fonda stage? Gotta look into that one. We're trading so many accounts. And payout objectives. Payout profit goal, 4,500 is the profit goal for the 100K. Payout goal, 4,500. We touched that, guys, right? How much money did we made here? Let me look into the account. 5,800. So we touched that. And we hold the bonus payout possibility, for which we gotta do 7,000. We have the bonus possibility, guys, for which we gotta do 7,000, and then we get a double payout. Instead of getting 2,000 bucks payout, we're gonna get $4,000 payout. Look at that one, guys. That's at 7,000. 3 days minimum. No, it's 3 days. 3 days minimum. 40% consistency. And minimum 3 days. Wow. The thing is, I shouldn't go about the bonus because it's the first payout. Right? And the bonus is available from the payout number 2 or number 4. So, you know, I can't go for the bonus. This is 3 days. For the funded stage. Funded rules. Days to payout. 3. We qualify for the payout. I got surprised by this, guys. I can't go for the bonus because it's from the second payout. First payout is no bonus. I got surprised, guys, but we're actually here on the payout. Oh my gosh, that was beautiful. Beautiful. This Lucid Flex are the best. I'm gonna go for this 150k, trying to pass some more today. But look at that action. Oh my gosh. What's up here, guys? What's up with the price section? Thank you, guys. Thank you. We got 5,800 made. Way more than the target. Let me see. Let me see something. Time to see if we could pass basically some Lucid Flexes. Thank you, guys. Prop firm's getting terrified. We have the last month's low, 25,025. What do you guys think about that one? Last month's low, 25,025. Right there, look at that. You see we've been bouncing off the red line again. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you, guys. You guys believe in any retracement here? Because I don't really believe in any retracement. How long does it take to pass the Lucid Black? I passed my Lucid Black in 2 days. But I've risked. Yes, I can request a payout on Lucid Black. Yes, and I will. I will. Lucid Flex is 5 days. Christoph. Chris. Lucid Flex is 5 days. Not 3. Terrified. We also have a song for that, right? Who's on fire today, guys? Who's on fire for the deep charts here on the YRM? 3,000 bucks made. Big money on the table. Lovely situation. That 1 minute reaction and 5 minute support. So when you see this again, and it's dozens of times there, it's been dozens of times there, when you see this situation, guys, where the price section is refusing to allow acceptance below a level. And then you get the New York session opening, you get the closing, you get any kind of wild news out there, you get red folder news scheduled, and prior to that, you have a such refusal. You know what the retail does? He sees that refusal and he says, well, look at that. It has been received once, refused twice, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh time in a row. I'm gonna long this. This is no way it's gonna get down. It has not been going down for the 6-7 candles in a row. And then the market, what it does? It dips, it crashes, it smashes. Look at that. It smashes down. That's what we've been talking about, guys. Come on. Oh, you've been watching the other screen and I was explaining you guys. Oh my gosh. I was explaining you on the trading view, you've been watching the other stuff. So, once again, let's just put things between the lines. When you see this price section here, look at that. That 5-minute situations where the market is refusing acceptance below a level clearly for dozens of minutes. Look at that. Right? Clearly refusing acceptance below the red line, refusing acceptance below 790s. And this is happening for dozens of minutes. It is a message communicated to the retail that the bears are not in control, the bears are not capable to cross an important point, and that level is getting defended. We don't cross this line. That's the message the market tells to retail. And then the market does the opposite. So once you do this, once you see that, and it's happening right next to the New York session opening or any red folder news, the market usually enjoys smashing through those stop losses for all those guys that accumulated there. Don't long it there, guys. Do not long it there. It has been going on like this for so many times already. The same pattern. This one, wild. Right? In a nutshell, it looks like this. Refuses market, refuses going down, and then there is an event happening. New York session or whatever. Market dips below with that liquidity, which is a lot of strength and power, right? And then rips back up. It happened so many times. I've missed my long here. It wicks and then rips. But that the message communicated before that wick was that we're not allowing the markets to cross this level downwards. So there's one thing they enjoy communicating, and they do the opposite. 2,000 I'm going to take out from the Lucid Black. 2,000, very likely. Minimum is 500. If you're a Quantower platform, know that you have to select basically the servers from the top left corner on your chart, right? So reselect the numbers. It's the thing they communicate with retail based on the price section and chart. They communicate that with retail. They know they lure retail into and just pretty much reverse. Yeah. Right, so all that liquidity generated when the trailings and stop losses have been touched, all that liquidity absorbed by the institutional trading, all that liquidity is always absorbed by them. They can't go market orders. They will never go. They don't chase the price action. They reverse things. They would rather die than chasing the price action. So they always need retail to get stopped out, to get trailed out, to these things. They're not going to be able to do market orders. They're not doing market orders. Lucid is on fire. Prop firms getting terrified. Scrambo's on fire today, guys. Come on. Had a good run pretty much everywhere. But I am glad BTC is reacting and it's no longer ashamed to do $8,500 movement in a day. No longer ashamed. After everyone got liquidated, it's starting to move. Perfect touch here. Exactly. Tempted to touch, right? You're tempted to touch with that one. Today's high. No, Lucid Flex is the best by far. Lucid Flex is the best by far. This weekend, I'm gonna film, guys. This weekend, I'm gonna film a video comparing Lucid Flex versus or with Lucid Black. I'll film a video, guys. By far. You have no consistency and no target on the funded stage. And that tells it all. Testing out a little short here. I'm out. 163. It's time to the giveaway. Someone is asking or is saying? Chat, what do you guys think? Is it asking or it's saying? Tell me. Because I see something at the end there. Tell me, chat. Is it asking or is it saying? Just for me to know. How do I organize myself? Probably is you. Probably is new because with that question cannot be old, right? With that question cannot be old. He would not be here if he would be old, right? So tell me, guys, what's that? You know, what should I do? Tell me. Usama. Clearly asking, clearly telling me. Great, great. But we only have $163 here made. We got no losses today, other than the top one futures that got stumped out in a silly way because we have $1,000 daily loss limit there, and that's not enough for me. You know, on this move downwards, we got stumped out $1,000 here. It's a daily loss limit. The account is active, is intact, it's healthy, it's strong. Yeah. Oh, should I trust him? Okay. Sure, no worries. Exactly. Look at that. Jake is giving a lesson. I think I also should be notified when when I have to do the giveaway, guys. By the people that are yes. I'm trying to trade. I was scared longing there, guys. I'm telling you, I was scared longing. Manners. I was afraid longing earlier. And I'm afraid chasing right now. It's time. Mama Bear, tell me it's time for the giveaways. Do it now, tell me. Look at it, AD, congratulations, buddy. 200 more. Do the same thing like you've done so far. Good job, buddy. Keep it tight, keep it strong. And you're gonna get that for sure. Come on. How do you enter the giveaways? Here's the link, guys. Come on, participate. So, like the video. Like the video. Be subscribed. Join the Discord. But I bet there is a lot of the people that want to hear trading content and less giveaway stuff, right? I bet there is a lot of people. Let's just do a poll here. How do I hold up myself? Since 2014, I've seen decreases of 90% on my... Gotta watch out on the window for a good... So I've seen my portfolio going down 90%. That's the first thing. You need to realize the impact those lessons had on me. And if I still kept being part of the crypto space after that, I got my system working fine. So I got my mental system producing sufficient stability, sufficient security, predictability. Kept calm, because one thing is, with a crypto, if you invest, you can't rely on that money. I'm completely detached from that money. I can live without it. Obviously, I don't want to mean that. But that's how you have to think about it. You do the form daily. Yes, Savius is considering, but they're not really having the easy time onboarding Trade-Evade. Completely detaching, basically, and the crypto game is extremely long-term. Right, that's how. I've been watching the long-term picture when I was down. You basically increase the timeline. You say, well, if the timeline was to make money till the next year, now the timeline is to make money in the next 3 years or 5 years. But again, whatever you touch there in the crypto space, you have to be able to leave completely without it. Very, very expensive. So I need the money when they are gonna get teenage, right? I don't need the money today. I'm testing along here, guys. I'll need the money when they're gonna be teenagers, not today. That's my hope with the crypto space. So in about 12 years, 15 years, 10 years, whatever. Yeah. What do you guys think about this 4 minis here? This is evaluations accounts. I like to buy instant funded. I like to buy instant funded as priority. But with Lucid, I like Lucid Flex so much that I can't do the instant funded on Lucid. Because I like no consistency, no target for the funded stage, which is the way the Lucid Flex is working. My ratio has been very good for the past 3 months, and that's actually the time the Lucid Flex came out. Back then, I was just buying instant funding accounts, so I don't really have a realistic cost per one funded account, because I did not lose that much in the past 3 months. Like maximum 2 accounts, I mean like 50% conversion rate. Look at that. If you guys remember the last time we had the Lucid Flex, we made 4,500 in a day, 4,500 in the other day. We're doing copy trading on 5 accounts. Let's see. My Ticktick live is no more live. I've heard back from Ticktick, they said they're working on their business. They're still here, they're working, and they're aiming to get back functional and strong. So we'll see. Look at that silly price action, guys. Yeah, we got the news coming out soon in a minute. We got the news coming out. Michigan numbers in a minute, right, guys? Am I right? 10 a.m. Michigan numbers here. Nah, I'm gonna put a stop loss and break even with the Michigan numbers. I'm not gonna sit here with 4 minutes. Stop loss break even with Michigan numbers. Hopefully, I'll have the time to do it. Hopefully, the price action is gonna rip above my entry in the next 15 seconds. Come on, guys. You know, I sold partially. I only let 2 minis. Sold partially. We got the Michigan numbers coming out soon. Accepted a partial loss. I've DC'd a little bit. One more time. Do we have the strength? Looks like. Looks like we don't. Do we have the strength here? I did expected more volatility. DC it once again. If it's bleeding, I'm out. Stop loss right there. We got shot with that one. We got shot with that one. With the ISM. But I think they're gonna pull it back, guys. Let me focus a little bit. We have DC8, buckle up. Buckle up for a decent runner. No, this is Lucid Flex challenge accounts. This is not funded. This is challenge, not funded. How many days to pass the Lucid Flex evaluation? Minimum 2, I think. Yeah. This copy trading, what we're doing here is Lucid. Oh, look at that. It's getting rejected. I've DC'd one more time until that stop loss is going to be at the end of the wick. Rip it, guys. Come on, rip it. Rip it. 3 minis all the way back to the top. Evaluation accounts. Nah, they pushed it down. They pushed this one completely down. And we're going to have a hard time with this evaluation accounts. For sure, we're going to have a hard time with this evaluation accounts. The good part is we made money with a Lucid Black, and we can basically reaccumulate on the balance with that. And we're taking the payout. This is Lucid Flex evaluation. Lucid Flex evaluation. Time to get ready. Yeah, the payout has been secured for the Lucid Black. Time to get ready for the giveaways. But maybe it's time to secure some money. Ho ho, we're saving it, baby. Scrambos and fire, look at that, baby. 3 contracts long, 2,500. I sold partially. Stop loss and break even. Let's just make that. We were down 4,100, and the max loss was 4,500. $400 away from the max loss. $400 away. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that, guys. Can you believe that? Look at that price section. Can you believe that, guys? Look at that. Oh, you don't do that. You don't serious with me. Are you serious with that, guys? We made. I'm relonging it. Relonging it here. Prashant, I'm closing my eyes and I am pressing a button. We got stopped out there. I put a stop loss. This is not working, guys. Look at the sellers totally taking control and dominating this thing. Nah. We'll close the other accounts too. We're gonna push the sell button. We're having a great time. Payout secured. Max loss for the Lucid 150,000 is 4,500. Yeah. We got stepped on for the first pump. But could have been a fake stepped on. It happens so many times, which is the reason why I've longed it. As soon as you wicked below, after you got stepped on, you made another wick. Market is usually reversing again and it's hitting the nail of the coffin. Not at this time today. You can't make money daily. Although today we made money, we made profits today. YRM has been 3 grand over here. I don't even know. This is, you know, too much for the consistency, guys, here. Let me show with you. 3,000. There's too much money made here for the consistency for the YRM. And you know what I'm gonna do? We have to lose 1,500 here. Are you guys aware of that? Before we do the giveaways, we made $3,000 here on this account here. We have to lose 1,500, guys. And watch me losing 1,500 and running a fireworks show. Yeah, I'm watching a a screen that is hosting the live stream, but there's other screens as well. Thank you, however. So watch me losing 1,500 bucks right now. I'm longing it. I need to lose 1,500 for consistency purposes. There you go. I want to lose 1,500. I don't even have a take profit target or anything like that. Just I want to lose 1,500. We made too much for the consistency. We have 3,000 profit and we don't need more than 1,500. It's not better. Yes, it's not better. But look at the market, what it does to me, guys. Look at the market, what it does to me. I'm reshorting that wick. It reverses and pumps. Look at that. And I have to lose money here. This is what the market makers are doing to me today, guys. They are increasing the profits. What if I end up making 5,000? I'm gonna send it to your bank account. Stop saying all-time high. Stop saying all-time high, guys. Stop saying market's pumping. Come on, guys. I don't want to do $3,000 profit day. I want to do maximum 1,500. Stop sending markets pumping, guys. The market makers are watching the live stream and they're taking this one to the moon. Watch that. Look at that, guys. What are we doing here, guys? Look at that. What are we doing here, guys? Come on. Look at that, guys. What have you done? What have you done, guys? Come on. What have you done? What if this thing goes all the way to the top, guys? 980s. What do you say then? What have you done, guys? Come on, like the video, be subscribed, join Discord. There you go. I'll check that later on when your timeout expires. I'll check that. I'll check that later on when the timeout expires. So, should I DCA? Should I DCA? Tell me, guys. We don't need this money. We need to lose 1,400 here. And the market is dropping me profits. But it was not capable earlier on our evaluation. Look at a lovely retracement. Not even needing to do DCA. Professional, guys, professional. How many people got trapped here? Tell me. Look at that dump. Absolutely amazing. Hey, we've touched the profit. There you go. That's how you have to trade. Impossible to trade like that, the way the price action moved here. Impossible. Celebration time wasn't necessarily needed. We were up 3,000 on this trade. 3,000, we were up. Guess about how many people have longed it here. Think about it. How many people longed it there? I put my take profit at the perfect spot. It reverses, yes. That's why I put a take profit there. Thank you, guys. It's not easy to lose money. But now it's time for the giveaways. It's time for the giveaways. It's time to enjoy the fruits of the prop firm world. We got a few guys complaining that by running 6-7 accounts, they're not getting their prize money on the giveaways. And I should close my eyes for some reason, guys. Get ready. Get ready for the rumble. Wheels of the names. And then what do we have? We got the ducks as well. Get ready for the rumble. I should close my eyes when I see 6-7 accounts on the same user. What do you guys think about? I already know the response, but you know, it's what's happening there with my... Oh, look at that. Lovely. Lovely. With the right account. It's very easy to lose on the others, for sure. Sure. Alright, guys, so... Let me just think about, what do we have? Yeah, we got $50,000 Lucid Flex. 50 grand Lucid Flex. You take the account, you get to the payout, you multiply, you take it to the payout, and in 6 months from today, you reach out with a screenshot of the bank account where you deposited your $100,000 from the prop firms, which all started from this 50 grand Lucid Flex. That's a challenge for you guys. So the one that's winning this account is having this challenge. I'm just trying to portray this, guys, to your future activity. Make sure to like the video, be subscribed, join the Discord. I think that's sweet, right? These are the things you gotta do. And of course, do not underestimate the capabilities of our filtering. Listen up for the numbers. Listen up for the numbers. We're gonna have 3 zeros. 3 number 2, 3 number 3, a single 7. Pretty weird, right? You can start right now. 1 guess per person. 1 guess per person, guys. 3 zeros 3 number 2, 333, and 17. Best of luck, everyone. Happy Friday times. Thank you so much. Triple 0, triple 2, triple 3, and a single 7. Best of luck. 50 grand Lucid Flex, a lovely challenge. Stop right there, no more guesses, it's over. Stop right there. Shuffle. And start. Best of luck, everyone. Best of luck, guys. Well, out of 2 giveaways, very likely. You got that 0 coming through, look at that. It's gonna be the 0, guys, on the blue. Yeah. It is the 0. Yeah. I can feel it. Congratulations for the winners. Successfully made it for the duck race. We got 3 zeros. Yesterday it was just about the zeros, you guys remember. So we have here 260 people that have signed up for the giveaway. And it's about 220 on the stream. 225 on the stream. 260 people have signed up. There's 40 guys that have signed up and disappeared. You guys know they did not disappear, right? You guys know that. But they're playing games with us. We got the winners with 0. Oh, look at a lovely pump we have. I'm waiting from Badger. I think Badger is here. Let's just wait for the list from Badger. Hopefully he is here, otherwise we have to... Oh! I had a message from him, guys. Badger is not here. Badger is not here. So that means we have to do it differently. Badger is not here, which means we have to do it differently. We're going to do the following thing. We're going to have everyone on the list. Everyone. Right? So we're going to have a single number here. Listen up, guys. 00. That's it. 00. You can start right now. 00, you can start right now. Let me know, guys. Badger has an appointment and was not available today. I just saw the message. I didn't check that, guys, on my Discord. I had a private message from him. 00. Everyone is going to be on the duck race. All of you. All of you will be on the duck race. All of you. Keep it running. Keep it going. Stop right there, no more guesses. Only once, not twice. Only once, not twice. So. We're scrapping the list right now. We're putting together the list right now. Give me a second. Yeah, I got you on the list, Mr. Knife Art. I got you. I got you guys. The list is loading. I got a different system right now, scrapping through the moment. We have a ton of people here. A ton of people. There you go for the duck race, 162. Successfully confirming presence, 162. That will compete, basically, is going to be only 2 rounds. Right, so 30 seconds right now, and the top 3 will go to the second round. Stall right there. Top 3 will go to the second round. Best of luck, everyone. Top 3 will go to the second round. Good luck, everyone. Top 3. Desire, John, and Sierra. Desire. Let's find it out if you guys completed the form. Yes, Menezes. We got you, Menezes. John Makino. Yes, John is here too. And Sierra. Sierra Mamat. Confirmed as well. These are the top 3. Desire. Sierra. "30 seconds competition time, and we're set to go. Best of luck, everyone. $50,000 Lucid Flex account. The first 3 and the last 3. That's an idea. Desire. Taking the lead, Desire here. And probably win. Desire, there you go. Congratulations, buddy. Desire Menezes. Congratulations, buddy. Congratulations. That was pretty close. Pretty close. Good job. Good job. Reach out to me on Discord. Good job. Let's just get to the next one, guys. Only one guess per person. Do not guess multiple times. You can start right now. Start right now. Best of luck. Start right now. $50,000 YRM. We have a single number, number 1. Start right now. A single gas per person. Only a single number out there. You can start right now. Best of luck, everyone. A single gas per person. Like the video, come on. TB. Chill out, TB. OTB 6169. You gotta chill out. Relax a little bit. Come on. We're trading above 900s. Relax. Stop right there. No more guesses. Stop right there. There you go. All right, so let's just work around it. Just give it a second. The thing is loading. I'm gonna spin the wheel, guys, in the meantime. I'm gonna spin the wheel. Because I forgot doing that earlier. Yeah, I didn't shuffle. I'm sorry for that. I didn't shuffle. But I'm gonna be careful next time. Congratulations for the winners on the number 1. Look at that. Yeah, you want to see the winner's message? There you go. Time to race again. 152 at this time. 30 seconds competition time. Top 3 will go to the second round. Top 3. Who's having a good feeling about this one? Top 3. Top 3. Vintage Store. Purple Ninja Facts. And Harry Marvin's. Jake, look at that. You're number 6, Jake. Mr. Knife R, you're number 9. And we had more than 150. Think about it. You can have a very, very enjoyable weekend out there with these statistics. So, Vintage Store. Maybe this guy's in front of you did not fill up the form. Vintage. Yeah, Vintage Store is here. Purple Ninja. Purple. Are you here, Purple? Yes, Purple, he's here. Davedi. Must be an Italian. Davedi. Davedi. Menodi. Davedi Menodi. There you go. All the guys confirmed. But we have Harry. It's not Davedi, it's Harry, guys. For some reason I messed up, right? It's not Davedi, it's Harry. Harry is the third. So Harry, sorry, but I gotta verify. Harry Marvins is here. Davidi, you're the fourth. You did not qualify, sorry. Yeah, we have Vintage Store, Purple Ninja, and Harry. These are the top 3 competing big numbers out there. There you go. Are you guys ready? Look at that. Are you guys ready? Best of luck, everyone. We got a top 3 competing for the grand prize. Look at that. We have 165 of them or something like that. 15 seconds to go. Keep it running. Enjoy your weekend. Enjoy. Thank you so much, guys. Who's gonna win this? Harry is speeding up like never seen before. Oh my gosh. Harry, purple. And then Vinted. So I got this one. Harry. Congratulations. Harry Marvins. You got this one. Congratulations. $50,000 YRM account for you. Great job. Reach out to me on Discord. Direct message me on Discord. Lovely. So, thank you so much, guys. Wish you a lovely weekend. Wish you the best out there. Thank you for being here. First part of the week was not good at all, but certainly we recovered partially and we had a great time, excluding today the evaluation we started. It was good. We got to a payout today, and of course with YRM we made that good money out there. Overall, satisfied in the way we have been pulling back from the way the week started, and then of course it's just about onwards and upwards from here. Thank you so much, guys, for joining, for having a lovely time. See you next week. In the meantime, we keep in touch on Discord. Scramble for the highest discounts.